years building this up, and then all of a sudden you're able to get these well-known speakers and celebrities. I think before it was hard to get that traction, but because you've got the reputation, you've got the branding, as you mentioned before in another podcast, people didn't know who you were, but now you're getting all these amazing people. So another attest to what you're saying.
I appreciate that. But again, we're in year 26 of this journey. If we didn't have a reputable brand by now, there'd be something wrong. I dare say we wouldn't be in business. So for us, it allows my job to be really easy. I can go knock on certain people's doors and they go, oh, Success Resources, I heard of them. I'd love to come and speak on your stage. But 10 years ago when I was knocking on people's doors, they'd be like, wait on, I've got no idea who you guys are. So this gets back to the reputation part. You know, our clients, they turn up, they know they're going to have a great experience. And that feeds back to the community. It feeds back, and that's what builds our credibility and reputation. And that's what allows me now to go out there and find even better talent to be able to bring to Australia and different parts of the world. So yeah, reputation has been super important. It's also meant that we've left money on the table. Do you mean we could be making a lot more money now in many, many areas, but it's not the number one driver for us. So it's interesting. The evolution of a business model is very unique. In the very first stage, you need cash flow. You need to survive the challenge of the first 12 to 18 months. When you get to year 26 and you're doing over $100 million, your focus shifts a bit. Now you're trying to preserve the brand and grow the brand for decades to come. It's a different way of running the business. It's a different focus. And you put your focus on people over profit, and you put your focus on reputation over revenue, and you look at a long-term macro plan. That's kind of what we're doing.
Fantastic.